everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Get Coded with Lakshay. I haven't uploaded for a while because I was not getting any topic on which I can make a video. But today I am here with a topic which is using a console. So let's start. So when I was teaching you web development of HTML, CSS and JS, we were doing coding on brackets.io. But now we will do on another app which is Visual Studio Code. So you can download Visual Studio Code by the link given in the description box. And when you will download it, an icon like this will appear. So let's start. So before opening this, in your folders, you have to create a folder which will be Visual Code Studio or Visual Studio Code, in which you will make another folders in which you will do your coding. So now I will make a new folder and its name will be console. Now we will open Visual Code Studio and in the file we will click open folder like we did in brackets. Then we will go in desktop, then in Visual Code Studio, then we will open the console folder. And then we will again create three folders. One is index.html, style.css and main.js. So first we will go in index.html. We will start the HTML tag. Then we will make the head tag. Then in the head tag, we will make the title tag. And in the title tag, we will name the title like using console. So now I will tell you that what is console. So console is a type of screen which is for the coder, means to create a web page for if we want to check that is a coding or function is happening. So for that there is a console screen for the coder. Like if we open its inspect, here you can see console. So whatever we will do here, so the coder might have written that if we will do this in the console, it will display this. So here we can see. So this is for the person who is doing the code, who is coding, just for his reference. So after head, we will make body. In body, you can make h1. In h1, you can write using console. Now, after h1, we will make a tag h3 in which we will write to open console screen. We have to right click, then click on inspect and open the console screen. So after H3, we will make a button. For making a button, we will make the button tag. In its, we can give a type, and the type you can put button. The ID can be update button, and on click, and then we can name a function like update and the brackets. And here you can write next. Now if we want to keep these all things in the center, we have to go in body, then curly brackets, then text line to center, and all the things in the body will be in center. But we can do one more thing to keep these things in center. After body, we can start a new tag, which is the center tag. So after this button, we can end this center tag. So from this, all the things will be in center. So these are two ways you can do this. So if we want to live test, we have to click here extensions, and you have to write here live server. Here I have already downloaded it. I will uninstall it and then reload. Now in instructions, I will write live server. So now I will write here live server, and you can see here live server, and you can install it. You can see it's showing loading, and here it's showing go live. So means it's downloaded. So now we will save everything by clicking Ctrl+S, and we will click go live. So you can see that it's showing using console. Tap open console screen. To open console screen, we will do right click, then click on inspect and open the console screen, and had made a button. So now to make it more beautiful, we can use the style.css, or we can use a class. For button, we can make a class, a bootstrap class. And do you know that what is bootstrap? From bootstrap, we can make our website more responsive. Means like if we will open this website on our phone, it will change its size according to the width and the height of the phone screen. So class is a type of a bootstrap in which you have to need some links, but we don't have these links now, so we don't use it. We will rather use style.css. In this, we can change the body color, like background color as your choice. Then H1, I will use this. And H3, we can keep the color as dark blue. And now you can save, and you can see that it's not changed because we have not linked CSS and JS. So now I will link CSS and JS. So now I have linked CSS and JS. So now I will save, and then when I will open it again, we can see our styling. You can see it's showing using console. Tap to open console screen and the button. You can change the color according to your choice. So now we will go in JS. We will create a function which was update, which will work only when the button is clicked. So we will write document dot get element by ID. Then in round brackets, double inverted commas, we have to give the ID. So I want to change something in H3. So I will give its ID like opening console. What you can do is just copy the ID and place it here. Then write dot inner HTML is equal to, then double inverted commas, and say console screen is for the reference for the coder. Now we will console it. Means we will write console.log in round brackets if we want to show the value of a variable. So we will write the name of the variable, like I make a variable like hello and its value is Lakshay. So I will write hello and semicolon. In all the codings, you have to put a semicolon in each line. So this is the syntax for showing something on the console screen. Console.log in round brackets, name of the variable, then no double inverted commas, and if you want to write a string, then you have to put double inverted commas. So now we will save this. And let's see. So now when I will click it, so here it's showing console screen is for reference for the coder. Now in inspect console, so here it's shown Lakshay and the value of hello is Lakshay. And if we want to display a string, so what we will do is just remove this variable and double inverted commas, we will write Lakshay and save. Now when we will click next, this will be displayed, and in inspect this will be displayed. So by this We can store multiple values in console for the reference for the coder. So if we want to check that is your coding correct, so you can use console. So this is my video on which I told you how you can use console and what is the syntax. It's console.log, then in the round brackets, if we want to put a variable, so we will don't use double inverted commas, we will just write the name of the variable. Or if we want to write a string, so we will use double inverted commas and write the string in between it. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and relatives, also subscribe my channel and do not forget to click the bell icon, and also please suggest me some ideas on which I can make videos in the comment box. Till then, bye bye.